when the stars tried to conquer Earth. For thousands of years, humanity looked at the stars with curiosity. They built telescopes. They sent probes. They dreamed of meeting other civilizations. But when the aliens finally arrived, they did not come as friends. The arrival. The first signal appeared on every screen on Earth. Phones, satellites, televisions. A single message translated instantly into every human language. Planet Earth. You are now under the authority of the Galactic Dominion. Surrender peacefully. At first, many people thought it was a joke, until the sky changed. Massive shadows appeared above the planet. Thousands of alien warships filled Earth's orbit like a metal storm. Cities panicked. Governments went silent. Humanity had just become the smallest creature in a very large universe. The Dominion. The Galactic Dominion had ruled the stars for over 10,000 years. They had conquered hundreds of civilizations. Their strategy was simple. Arrive with overwhelming force. Show their power. Offer surrender. Most species surrendered immediately, because resistance was pointless. And the Dominion believed Earth would be no different. The first meeting. 3 alien ships landed near the United Nations headquarters. The aliens were tall, armored creatures with silver skin and glowing eyes. Their commander spoke calmly. Your species is primitive. Your weapons are weak. Your fleets are insignificant. Screens behind him displayed images of their power. Entire planets destroyed. Civilizations erased. Then he finished with one sentence. You have 2 hours to surrender. The world watched. Every country waited for someone else to decide. 2 hours passed. Then humanity responded. The human message. The reply was simple. It came from Earth's combined military command. One sentence. No. The alien commander blinked slowly. You misunderstand, he replied. This is not a negotiation. But the human message continued. Humanity does not surrender. The war begins. The Dominion launched the first strike. Their ships fired beams of energy capable of destroying cities. But something unexpected happened. Human satellites exploded around them. Thousands of small objects suddenly surrounded the alien ships. They were not weapons. They were debris fields. Human engineers had secretly filled Earth's orbit with millions of tiny fragments. The alien ships were advanced, but they were not prepared for chaos. Within minutes, several Dominion ships were damaged by high-speed debris. Their commander was shocked. Primitive, but clever, he said. Humanity's strategy. Humans knew they could not win in a fair fight. So they never planned to fight fairly. Every nation worked together for the first time in history. Scientists, engineers, hackers, soldiers. They turned Earth into a fortress. Old satellites became weapons. Civilian ships became drone carriers. Even fishing boats were used to launch missiles. The Dominion had powerful ships. But humans had something different. Creativity. The Battle of Orbit. The first real battle happened above Earth. Alien cruisers moved toward the planet. Human fighters launched from hidden bases across the world. The fighters were smaller, slower, weaker, but there were thousands of them. Human pilots used dangerous tactics. They flew close to alien ships, too close for their large weapons to aim. Some pilots even sacrificed their ships to destroy Dominion weapons. The aliens had never seen anything like it. Most species avoided death. Humans ran directly toward it. The Dominion realization. After several days of fighting, the alien commander studied humanity carefully. He reviewed battle footage. Human soldiers defending cities. Engineers fixing ships during combat. Pilots flying directly into danger. One alien officer asked a question. Commander, why do they keep fighting? The commander answered slowly. Because they believe the planet is worth dying for. The officer replied, but every species values survival. The commander shook his head. Not like this. The turning point. Then humanity did something even more shocking. A fleet of old cargo ships launched from the moon. They were slow and unarmed. The Dominion ignored them. Until the ships got close. Then every cargo ship exploded. Inside them were experimental EMP devices. The electromagnetic blast disabled several Dominion ships instantly. Human fleets attacked immediately. For the first time in history, Dominion ships were destroyed by a new species. The alien commander stared at the burning wreckage, and for the first time in thousands of years, he felt something unfamiliar. Respect. The final decision. After weeks of war, the Dominion still had the advantage, but victory was no longer guaranteed. Human resistance had become unpredictable. Every battle was dangerous. Every victory was costly. The commander gathered his officers. "Earth is not strategically valuable," he said, "but this species is unique." Another officer asked, "What are your orders?" The commander looked at the planet below. Cities glowing. Ships launching. Humans still fighting. Then he made a decision that shocked the entire Dominion fleet. End the invasion. The withdrawal. The alien fleet slowly left Earth's orbit. Human radars tracked every movement. No one celebrated yet. It could have been a trick. Then one final message arrived. This time, it was different. The alien commander spoke again. "Humanity. You are reckless. You are stubborn. You are dangerous. But you are also impressive." He paused before finishing. "The Dominion will not attempt to conquer Earth again." Then the message ended. The massive fleet disappeared into deep space. The aftermath. Earth was damaged. Cities were destroyed. Many heroes were lost. But humanity had survived. More importantly, they had proven something to the universe. Technology was not everything. Size was not everything. Power was not everything. Sometimes, courage was stronger. The galactic rumor. Years later, rumors spread across the galaxy. Stories about a strange planet. A world where a young species fought an empire and refused to surrender. Other civilizations began to whisper a new warning. If you want an easy conquest, avoid Earth. Because humans might be small, but they fight like a species that refuses to kneel. And that made them one of the most dangerous species in the stars.